Welcome kids! It's red color, dark green color and yellow color. Today we will learn how to trace and paint the shapes. It's circle. This is square and this is triangle. Let's draw. Let's paint. I use red color in circle. I use dark green color in square. I used yellow color in triangle. Let's learn. This is circle. This is square. This is triangle. Circle, it has round shape. This is square. Square has 4 sides. This is triangle. Triangle has 3 curved sides. Wow! This is circle, this is square and this is triangle. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.